Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Everyday Adventures.
And today we are going to build a new jet.
An airplane.
Jet.
Another one of this Build and Grow series from Lowes Hardware. Pretty cheap, especially around the holidays.
And this is the front of it, and this is the back.
That's called the fuselage. Yep.
Yep.
And so we're going to build that right now, aren't we, Silas?
Yeah.
And before we get started, though, guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see other awesome videos about our everyday adventures.
This is what.
Is that how it goes? I don't think that's quite right.
See?
Yeah, I see that. But let's follow the instructions. All right, so there's the instructions. We're going to be putting that. It looks like the tail. The horizontal tail to the fuselage.
What is the tail?
This is the tail.
Oh,
Yep.
I was right.
You were right.
This is the tail.
Yep. Oops.
This is the bottom of it.
That is the bottom of it. That's how we're supposed to do it. Okay, so we flip it over like that. And then we're going to need to get some small, short screws. I'm reading that like French
I'll
side.
get the screws.
Yep. Not screws. I'm sorry. Nails.
Okay.
I think it says short ones. Yep. 2 short nails. Yep. So put those nails in there. Those holes. Great job. And then Daddy will hold it while you hammer it in, okay?
I'll do this one because this one looks better than that.
Okay. So we got that in. We're going to nail it in now. I'm going to pray for my fingers.
I'll do this one.
Oh, you're going to do that one? Okay. Oh, hit them both at the same time. Good idea. Great job, Silas.
That's cool.
That's really cool. Now we're gonna.
This one looks cool too.
Yep, that's awesome, dude.
And I made a little hole here when I dropped it on the ground. They were trying to tell to hide him up, and he did.
Oh my goodness.
Good thing he didn't chew on the nails up.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So now, can you get me 2 long nails?
Long nails?
The long ones? Yep. Can you put those in these holes right here?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put the back wheel mechanism up on the undercarriage. Yep. Got it. All right. Got it.
Now I'm going to do this handle.
Hold on. Let me see. Okay. You want Dad to finish it up? Finish these up?
Yeah, I will get to finish it.
Okay. We're going to take the big guns out and adjust that again so you guys can see.
Can I show them the big camera?
Yep.
Just so you know, this is not safe for kids to have because you can hurt their hands with a big grown-up hammer.
That's right. Public service announcement from Silas. Okay, now we need to take these guys.
Those guys? What are guys? Why do you say those woods are guys?
I don't know, because Daddy's just a weirdo.
This is the only one who got a big hole, so I think that one goes right there.
Okay, well, let's do the 2 big nails for this first. Can you get 2 more big nails? 2 more long nails? You drop them in those holes right there.
Oopsie. Got it. Upside down.
Okay.
This is my hammer, that's your hammer.
Okay.
But this is actually your real hammer. And these are our hammers.
Okay.
This one's mine. And this one's ours.
Yeah.
These are
Right.
both.
That does not look.
Well, I'm starting to sweat, Daddy.
You're starting to sweat, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You want to hammer that in now?
Yeah. This is hard work.
Hard work. Somebody's got to do it. Right?
I'll do it all the way in.
Yeah, I think that's probably good enough.
Okay.
All right.
Is it time for this?
So did Daddy do that right? Or did I put it on the wrong side?
Is it time to do the wall and thing?
Let's see. Yep, that's the next direction.
Oh,
Yep,
I was right.
you were right. So this guy goes in with a short screw.
Why do you keep calling him God?
I'm sorry, I don't know why. Can you get a short screw? Short nail? I keep calling them screws. I keep calling it Kai.
These shorts?
Yep, that one right there. So can you take that? Just one.
Just one?
Yep, and push it through the hole.
Why? You
Okay.
have to do one.
Because you don't need but one.
Oh,
Yep,
I
now.
need to hammer it in.
Yep, that's right. You do need to hammer it in.
That means it's time for hammer one time. Can you grab this hammer?
I'm gonna do this now. Alrighty. Now we gotta add the back tires.
Okay.
Okay, you can put a small one in each one of those.
Okay. But
We're
what?
gonna nail them into that. Put a small screw into each one, or small nail in each one of those.
But I don't put.
Yep.
You
It'd
put
probably
the
be.
tires.
Well, how about you do this? If you push it through, and then we can push it on the thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Get me another short screw.
Okay. Oh, push it in the other side. The other side.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, now that goes in right there. Push it in.
That's hard.
Yep. Okay, now we gotta hammer it the rest of the way. We don't know what we're doing.
Oh, this is harder than I thought. This is the hardest. These are hard tiles than I thought. I don't get it.
I don't get it either, dude. Let's try this other side. Maybe this other side will work better. Are you hammering in solidarity? Alright, so we probably have lots of good comments on this about how we could have done this better. My suggestion would be to hammer the wheel in before you put it in the base, but that's not what the instructions said. The corrections, as my father-in-law would say. Alright, so we took this back off. Now we're going to try to attach the wheels. Silas, Daddy's going to hammer this one because I think it's going to be a little difficult to hammer, okay? It says if they used hardwood. Speak English, boy.
Really is a nice.
Whitley is a nice girl.
Billy is a nice girl. Billy is a nice girl.
Okay, so. Okay, now. Okay, back in business, kind
Happy birthday to you. Happy.
2 holes right there.
Okay. Can you
Hold it. Yeah.
Why is it so quiet in here?
Because you're not talking.
So now I'm gonna handle it.
And now you're going to handle it.
Oh, here. Okay. When I try to break it, it don't break. So I think it's tied all the way. Now this is really cool because watch. Airplane Build. Whoa! I'm taking off.
Bring it over here so they can see it. That's really cool, dude. Now we are not quite done yet, though. We gotta add one more thing besides the stickers. Yep. And we gotta leave your mouth on.
And then we got to pick our lips.
No, we don't pick our lips. So you put these on with 2 small screws. You want to grab the small screws?
Small and a small. These are extra screws. I can't wait to get done with this plane.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Oh.
It's gonna be so good and cool.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, baby.
Hammer that in. I don't really know.
So, watch out.
Be a tough one to hammer. Well, we got one more to do.
And then it'll be done and I'm
then we'll be
excited.
done and we'll be putting stickers.
Ah! Yeah, baby. So it's like this way.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do that.
Well,
What?
hold on.
Can it say that way? Why do you say hold on?
They didn't do the holes right.
Oh.
I guess we're back. It's like 12 hours later because it was late when we were working on the video last time.
Yeah, because Daddy broke it.
Yeah, I broke it. So in the instructions, it does not explain that one tail fin goes on one side specifically, and I put it on the wrong side, and then when I went to remove it, I broke it in half. You may be able to see the crack there, maybe not. So we had to hot glue this guy on the right side, and then we nailed the other one on the appropriate side. So we've got all this done right here, and then now it's time for Silas to put his stickers on. Okay, let's put your stickers on. Look, so that goes on one side. So I would also recommend, again, the instructions don't say this, but I would put the stickers on before you build the thing because it's difficult for little hands. Let's pull it back a little.
Yeah. Sometimes you call me little hands.
Mr. Little Hands. Okay, there it is, completed, guys. Show them how it flies real quick, Silas.
Okay. And mark, get set, fly!
Whoa! Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this everyday adventure that wound up taking 2 days because I didn't put it together right. And remember, like our videos and subscribe to our channel, please. Thanks. Make every day an adventure.